Today, we're diving into the Maximm 4K HDMI cable pack, a bundle designed to deliver top-notch performance and durability for your home entertainment setup. This package includes 10 30-foot cables, each boasting HDMI 2.0 compatibility and supporting resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz. What sets these cables apart is their construction. They feature triple-shielded 32 AWG copper conductors with gold-plated connectors, ensuring minimal signal interference and maximum longevity. The nylon braiding adds not just aesthetic appeal, but also durability, making them resistant to tangling and providing extra protection against wear and tear. Whether you're connecting a high-definition TV, gaming console, or projector, these cables promise seamless transmission of 4K Ultra HD content with HDR support. They're backward compatible with older HDMI versions, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, ensuring versatility across various devices. In terms of usability, Maximm goes the extra mile by including a 270-degree right-angle adapter and a generous supply of cable ties and clips. This thoughtful addition simplifies installation and management of your cable setup, whether in-wall or out. For audio enthusiasts, these cables support ARC, audio return channel, enabling cinema-like sound through Dolby Atmos and other compatible audio systems. This feature, coupled with HDMI deep color and 3D support, enhances your viewing and gaming experiences significantly. Maximm backs their product with a limited 1-year warranty and offers reliable customer support, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. Overall, if you're looking for high-speed, high-definition HDMI cables that combine performance, durability, and ease of use, the Maximm 4K HDMI cable pack is an excellent choice for upgrading your home theater or gaming setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.